Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I will share with you guys my mom's recipe. It's a salad for Christmas with fruit and avocado. All ingredients below in my info box. You will need a big bowl, sliced peaches, fruit cocktail, sweet corn, avocado, mayonnaise, and raisins. I'm gonna drain the juice out of the canned fruit cocktail into a jar and set aside. Now I will drain the juice out of the canned sweet corn, but at this time I won't need the liquid. And please wash all the sweet corn kernels with fresh water. And then add the sweet corn to the bowl and stir until well combined. Open the canned sliced peaches. Reserve a little bit of syrup in the same jar. And I'm gonna be cutting some peaches to add to my salad. Remember guys, cover with a plastic the bowl and the jar to keep in the fridge until you are ready to serve. And my mom says it's better to separate in another bowl only the amount of salad that we are going to serve on the table, okay? Because you have to be careful with the mayonnaise. I will add some syrup and stir until you like the sugar to your dressing. Now I add to the bowl only the portion that I will eat and cover the other bowl and keep it in the fridge. I'm gonna be adding the raisins and my sweet dressing. Stir well. And please guys, don't forget to add the avocado to the end in small pieces. So now we have everything together, just stir well and you are ready to serve. And this is a final result guys, a fresh and delicious salad for Christmas. Please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, and follow me on my social network. She's Candy, my coton de Tuliar. She has own videos every Saturdays and she's with me every Wednesdays with my recipes. See you next time. Bye bye.